Global warming. Global warming, what it is and why it matters. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These activities release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, which trap heat in the atmosphere and disrupt Earth's natural energy balance. Causes: burning fossil fuels for electricity, transportation, and industry. Deforestation, which reduces the planet's ability to absorb CO2. Agriculture and livestock, which emit methane and nitrous oxide. Industrial processes that release various greenhouse gases. Effects: rising temperatures globally with more frequent heat waves. Melting glaciers and ice caps, leading to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods. Disruption of ecosystems, forcing species to migrate or face extinction. Threats to food and water security, especially in vulnerable regions. Recent developments. A new study shows that warming of 2 degrees Celsius intensifies carbon absorption in Arctic permafrost, but weakens it in alpine regions, raising concerns about feedback loops that could accelerate warming. A massive marine heat wave, nicknamed the Blob, is stretching across the North Pacific, affecting weather and marine life from Japan to California. In Alaska's Glacier Bay, a new island has formed due to rapid glacier melt, a stark visual of climate change's impact. What can be done? Switch to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Improve energy efficiency in homes, buildings, and transportation. Protect and restore forests. Adopt sustainable agriculture and reduce food waste. Support climate policies and international agreements like the Paris Accord. What's happening? Earth is heating up because of pollution from cars, factories, and cutting down trees. This traps heat in the air and changes the climate. What it causes: ice melts, sea levels rise. Weather gets wild storms, floods, droughts. Animals lose homes, some may go extinct. People face problems: less food, more heat. How we can help: use solar or wind power. Plant trees. Recycle and waste less. Eat less meat. Speak up for climate action. Support climate policies and international agreements like the Paris Accord. Real-world examples. Temperature rise. Global average temperatures have increased by about 1.17 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era. Some regions, like the Arctic, have warmed more than 1.5 degrees Celsius, affecting ecosystems and weather patterns. Melting ice and rising seas. Polar ice caps are melting 6 times faster than in the 1990s. Glaciers worldwide are shrinking rapidly, threatening freshwater supplies and habitats. Sea levels are rising, endangering coastal cities and causing saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources. Extreme weather. Hurricanes, floods, droughts, and wildfires are becoming more intense and frequent. The 2018 Woolsey wildfire in California burned over 96,000 acres, fueled by hotter, drier conditions. Ecosystem disruption. Polar bears and other Arctic species are losing habitat due to ice melt. Plant and animal migration patterns are shifting, affecting biodiversity and food chains. Human impact. Heat waves are more frequent and dangerous, especially for children and the elderly. Water supplies are affected by changing rainfall and stream flow patterns. Insurance costs are rising due to increased property damage from extreme weather. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. LP Academy. Learn lightly, grow deeply.